Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can unlink or remove Facebook from Instagram. When your Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked, it's easy to cross-post, find Facebook friends to connect with on Instagram, post Instagram stories as Facebook stories, and more. If you have privacy concerns or want to pare down your social media activity, you can unlink your Instagram from Facebook using the Instagram app. First, you need to log into your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon that is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are in your account, you can see these three horizontal lines on top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Go to the settings and click on it. Now scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the account center. By tapping on it, you will control the setting for the connected experiences across Instagram, the Facebook app and Messenger, including the story and post sharing and logging in. Now you will see a linked Instagram and Facebook account listed on this page. Click on the account and profile section to start the process to disconnect the two profiles. Now go to the account you want to remove and click on it. Now click on Remove from Account Center in the pop-up window. Here you will see a warning message saying that if you disconnect your account, it will end the connected experience across the Facebook and Instagram. Disregard it and go to the bottom of your screen and tap on Continue. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking the Remove button to disconnect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. And that's it, your Facebook and Instagram accounts are now unlinked and you do not need to worry about cross-posting or automatic logins. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.